Have you ever tried to email or share a PowerPoint presentation only to be met with an error message saying that the file size is too large to send? Or perhaps you've noticed that your presentation takes forever to load or lags when you try to play it. These are all common issues that can arise when your PowerPoint file size is too big. Luckily, there's a few simple ways to reduce the file size of your PowerPoint presentation without sacrificing its quality. And one of the most effective methods is to compress the images in your presentation. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to compress images and significantly reduce the weight of your morbidly obese PowerPoint file.
Hell yeah! Let's do this!
So whether you're sending your presentation via email, sharing it with a colleague, or simply want to make it easier to load and play, keep watching to learn how to reduce your PowerPoint file size in just a few easy steps. So we've got a PowerPoint presentation open, and as you can see, there's some quite large images in there, dotted all the way through. So let's see how big the file size is at the moment. To do that, we go over to File and Info. And over here on the right, on the properties, you can see that the file size is currently 10.4 megabytes. Let's see if we can get it to lose a bit of weight. So what we do, we go to the first image in our file, we click it, and you'll see here the picture format tab appears. We click that and head over to compress pictures. So from here, we can set the resolution for the file to bring the size right down. So I'm going to choose email at 96. So at the minute, this compression is only going to apply to the first image that we've selected, but we want to reduce the file size of the whole PowerPoint presentation. So we need to apply this compression right the way through the presentation. To do that, we uncheck the apply only to this picture and click OK. And then once the file's finished saving, you can head back over to File, Info, and you can see now that the file has been reduced by almost half its size. Now you can easily share your PowerPoint presentation without any hassle. If you've got any questions or comments about reducing file sizes in PowerPoint, please leave them down below in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you and help you out in any way that I can. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on creating killer presentations. Thanks again, and I'll see you again for another Tuesday Tech Tip.